Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add snow to your videos on CapCut. So I've already on CapCut and I've already imported a video, and to add the snow effect, you can just go to effects, video effects, and then here you can choose Christmas. And here you can see there are so many snow effect that you can choose: snowing, snowflakes, snowing too. And you can also find the snow effects in under the nature category, so you can just find or choose which one that you think fits your video the best. So I'm going to try the nature first. In here you can see there's a snowfall options like this, so that is how you can add from the nature. And let's see if you add from the one from the Christmas category. This one's right here, and then I'm going to add the snowing one, so it'll go like that. So it will also change the mood of the video. Let's see the snowing too. Okay, so I think I like the snowing one better, and you just need to click on a check icon and then adjust the effects to apply to all of your clips, and the result will go like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can add snow to your videos on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.